Banana Paleo Pancakes, Summer Pasta Sauce, Tomato Sauce with Onion Butter, Orange Sorbet, Lemon Pudding, Lemon Pudding, Fruitful, Pulled Pork Sandwiches, Mozzarella Sticks, Mozzarella Sticks, Shortbread Cookies, Shortbread Cookies, Peanut Butter Cups, Peanut Butter Cups, Creamy Mac and Cheese, Creamy Mac and Cheese, Nutella Brownies. You'll need 1/4 cup Nutella, 2 eggs, 1/2 cup all-purpose flour. Grease a 9x9 baking pan and preheat oven to 350 degrees. In a large bowl, mix all ingredients with a wooden spoon until batter is smooth. Pour into baking pan and smooth batter out. Bake for about 15 minutes or until an inserted toothpick comes out clean. Let brownies cool completely before cutting. Homemade Southern Biscuits. You'll need 2 cups white lily self-rising flour, 1/4 cup shortening, 2/3 to 3/4 cup milk. Preheat oven to 500 degrees and lightly spray a baking sheet with cooking spray. In a large mixing bowl, place flour and cut in shortening until mixed. Stir in just enough milk for the sides of the dough leaves the bowl. On a lightly floured surface, gently knead the dough 2 or 3 times. Roll dough out to a 1/2 inch thickness and cut with a glass or biscuit cutter that's been dipped in flour. Place biscuits onto baking sheet. Bake 8 to 10 minutes or until golden brown. Old-fashioned peanut butter cookies. You'll need 1 cup sugar, 1 cup peanut butter, 1 egg. Preheat oven to 350 degrees. In a mixing bowl, stir ingredients together until completely smooth. On a parchment-lined or slip-at-lined baking sheet, scoop out batter and roll into 1-inch balls. Press down with a fork, making a crisscross pattern on top. Bake for 12 minutes. Remove from the oven and let cool 1 to 2 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack. Store in an airtight container.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.